Hi, I'm Dr. Carolyn Jacob, Director and Founder of Chicago Cosmetic Surgery and Dermatology. Today I'm going to talk to you about the XLV laser, which is a KTP and ND-YAG laser that can do many different treatments for patients. It's most often used for the treatment of red blood vessels on the face. Patients get red blood vessels on the face for many reasons, either through sun exposure over a lifetime or if they have conditions such as rosacea. The XLV laser's beam is used to be absorbed by the red blood cells within the blood vessel. This causes the vessel to heat up and clamp down upon itself and disintegrate. Sometimes the blood vessels will go completely away, and other times they will go into spasm and look like they're gone for a couple of weeks and slowly reappear. Because of this, we usually ask patients to follow up in 1 month so we can follow the progress of their treatments with the XLV laser for their blood vessels. In addition to red blood vessels, the XLV laser can treat individual brown spots on the face, chest, or hands. It's a very common tool to lighten up freckles or bigger freckles known as lentigos that occur from sun exposure. Treatment times take usually 10 to 20 minutes, and there's no anesthetic necessary. Afterwards, you may experience a little bit of swelling and possibly some bruising, so make sure when you book your appointment to set it for a date that is away from other social activities. The XLV laser energy is transmitted into heat into the skin, so you will feel a little bit of heat as you're having the treatment. However, it's completely tolerable and patients get through it just fine. If you experience some swelling from the laser because it does create heat, it looks like a little bit of bug bites on the skin, and that could last for 1 to 3 days, depending on how reactive your skin is. In treating your red blood vessels, you will find approximately a 50 to 60% improvement with one treatment. Repeat treatments are typically done at 1-month intervals. All of the dermatologists at Chicago Cosmetic Surgery and Dermatology are fellowship trained in laser surgery. It's important to see a board-certified dermatologist with laser experience when treating your skin with lasers.